Hey, what's going on, guys? Stamp778 here, back with another how-to video, and today we're going to be making a homemade cardboard sword like you saw in the title. So let's get right into it. First you are going to need a hot glue gun, you're going to need some sandpaper, a pencil, some cardboard of course, and some scissors. So, you're going to start off by making the sword shape. It doesn't matter if it's flimsy or not because you're going to need to make 5 of these. 5 or 6 of these, thick enough so you can, swing it, just like this. You're going to hot glue them together, you can glue them just like the shield, and then you can cut off the edges at a slanted angle so that it, makes it a bit sharper and not dull. If you want it dull, not, sharp, of course, you can just leave it like that, or like a bat, kind of like that, not a sword. But, yeah, you just carve it off. It doesn't matter how it flakes off. It's going to look in the end, because you're going to need to use this sandpaper. I'm just going to rub it. I'm not sure what type of sandpaper I used. I just, found it in my dad's tools, and it should look like this. It should have this bit lighter color, so that looks nice. And you can, of course, go back in and hot glue some spots that you missed, so that it looks nicer and not, falling apart. And if there's little, those little nubs in there, you can put them on there and take them off, whatever, leave them. And then, of course, you're going to want to do the tip, like so, just like that, same place. Honestly, guys, that's almost it. But if you do run into these little bumps, that's okay. It just makes the sword used, That's all I have for you guys today. So that is how you make a cardboard sword. Again, this is part 1. So there will be a part 2. That was the blade. I will do the handle and the spray painting and the decorations in future videos. So I hope you guys like this, and that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks you guys so much. Bye.